Good evening mga brother. This is our day 136. Let's go! Steady 7 speed tayo ngayon mga brother. Let's go! 1K, 2K,
Total 20 minutes. 298 calories. Heart rate 150 beats per minute.
3K, 4K,
Total 35 minutes. 524 calories. Heart rate 159 beats per minute.
5K, 6K,
Total 50 minutes. 746 calories. Heart rate 163 beats per minute.
7K,
Total 55 minutes. 822 calories. Heart rate 162 beats per minute.
8K done mga brother. Let's go! We're done. Sulit na naman yung isang araw natin mga brother. Ingat palagi and run safe everyone. GG's. Thank you.